check it out, y'all. Finna hook up some good old homemade little French toast. Woohoo! You see it? Got the eggs, got the bread, and got the sugar. Oh, there it is. Showtime. Oh yeah, I done bust the eggs open. Add me a little vanilla flavor. I got enough eggs. I need enough. And then I got my good old cinnamon. Hook that up. Little cinnamon. Can't go wrong with cinnamon. Okay. Get some milk. Add the milk. Oh yeah. Now I add some good old white sugar. Another. I want them. They ain't gotta put that much syrup on it, so I add like 2. Now mix that bad boy together. Oh yeah, I done mixed it all up. Now I'm gonna pour it in my pan. Alright, so then I get the bread and then I dip it in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see I got it face down, then I flip it over, let that get nice and juicy. And then I go put it on my flat top, y'all. Hold up. Oh yeah, check it out. That's butter spray. Nobody come out here clean your grill. Shut up. Check it out, y'all. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I'm doing it over here, big baby. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Ooh, look at them. I ain't playing no games. Y'all see how that's sand in me? Oh yeah. Then time to top it off, y'all. Put that on now. And I just let it do what it do, y'all. I'll be back. Please subscribe, everybody. Showing y'all this good old homemade French toast. Please subscribe. God bless everyone. Oh yes. Gotta top it off with some more of that little butter flavor. Yeah. So when I flip it, I ain't gotta worry about nothing. Look at that, y'all. Please subscribe, y'all. Come on, I don't play no game. Yeah. On this good old cowboy patio. Y'all see it? Check it out, y'all. Please subscribe, y'all. I don't play no game. Let's go, Cowboys. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Yeah. Homemade French toast. Look at that one. Oh, yes. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah. All right. Peace out.